If you are an email marketer, course creators, freelancers, consultants, small business owners, or anyone who wants to build businesses online, then after watching this video, you will say big thanks to me, because I'm going to introduce to you systeme.io, the complete solution to start your online business, manage your business, and grow your business online without technical knowledge or expensive tools. In one word, systeme.io is an all-in-one best marketing platform. You can create sales funnel, send marketing email, build website, manage your affiliate, create online courses, automate your marketing, and lots of things you can do using this platform for free of cost and no credit card required to create your free account. Hello everyone, I'm Ajay Kumar from FunnelAnalyst. So without further ado, let's get started. This video is going to be divided into these 12 sections. Why choose systeme.io? We start our video with these questions and we'll close this video with the same questions. But the only difference is later you will have hundreds of reasons of these questions. So let's dive into the next sections of this video. Founder and visions. Orlin Amerigo is the founder of systeme.io. I really like his vision to give every person in the world the opportunity to build an online business. He was selling online courses since 2010 and he wasn't happy with the existing software solution. Then he started building systeme.io and today it becomes the best all-in-one marketing platform. So give a thumbs up for his great visions. Now let's talk about systeme.io features. Systeme.io provides tons of great features, but it primarily provides 9 great features in one place. 1. Sales funnel. Create funnels easily based on proven templates. 2. Email marketing. Send unlimited emails and create email campaigns. 3. Website builder. Easily set up your website in under 10 minutes. 4. Affiliate program management. Create an affiliate program, automate affiliate payout. Business automation. Save time and energy by automating your business. Evergreen webinar. Run evergreen webinars to grow your audience and make sales. Online courses. Build your online course, manage your students. Blogging. Create high converting content and grow more traffic. Sell products. Become a dropshipper or sell your own products. And lot of other features they provide. Now you're totally new and you don't know how to use those features. So you may be thinking where to learn. Well, the best part is you can learn from their team and also you can learn from this channel. Just follow the systeme.io mastery playlist. There I will cover you everything. But if you want to learn from systeme.io, then just come to your systeme.io dashboard, then click on courses. Then come to this systeme.io certification and here we'll got A to Z complete tutorial. Just watch these videos and practice and you will learn everything very easily for free of cost. And after completing this course, you will got a certificate from systeme.io. So for coming to this dashboard, you need to create your free systeme.io account first. Creating a systeme.io account is so easy. Just click the first link in the description below, then follow the process. Just enter your Gmail over here, then click on get my free account. Then open your Gmail and open the systeme.io confirmation mail. Then click over here, confirmation link, then set your password. And then confirm the password. Then click on I am not a robot and then click on save. Now enter your Gmail and enter your password. Then click enter. Then your account will be logged in. So by following this simple process, you can create your free systeme.io account. Now let's talk about the overall UI. Systeme.io overall UI is so clean and user friendly. They provide easy to use dashboard and drag and drop editor to edit the entire page. And here you will got a quick help button to get help. Now let's talk about the website speed. I built this funnel for one of my clients. I test the site speed on GTmetrix and the result is this. It's pretty good. So yeah, you will not face any problem regarding to the website loading speed. Tip 1. Well, make sure you optimize your all the images, then your site will load much faster. Now let's talk about some bad side of systeme.io. I'm a WordPress web designer for the past couple of years. So I know if I compare it with WordPress, then it have lots of cons. Like systeme.io does not offer the same level of customization as WordPress does. While systeme.io has some SEO features, but WordPress provides more advanced SEO tools and plugins. Systeme.io has limited options for custom coding and lot of other little cons systeme.io has. But you need to understand systeme.io is not built for only those particular things. Now let's talk about the support. I really like their support system. We can get support by these ways. One is by reading their official articles, video tutorials, and by customer support. And we can join the official Facebook group. There they post regularly and if you have any problem, you can post to there. They see the problem and they help you to solve the problem. Now let's talk about the pricing plans. Well, it provides 4 plans. One is free plan, where you will get all of these features for free of cost. And when your business is growing, only then you can upgrade your plan by your business needs. If your business is not growing, then you can use the free plan for forever. All plans include 1. Unlimited emailing. 2. Unlimited file storage. 3. Unlimited students. 4. No transaction fees. 5. Affiliate programs. 6. Online support. And you can integrate with these payment methods. Now let's talk about the customer testimonials. Now let's see some customer testimonial. If we visit Trust Copilot and other site, there we can see it have 4.9-star review, which is so great. And if you visit this page, then here you can read more real reviews. So Now I am again asking you why choose systeme.io. What's your reason? Let me know in the comment section below. That's it for this particular video. I try to be loyal with all of you and I try my best to tell you how can systeme.io helps you and grow your business. I really love to promote systeme.io as an affiliate and I can proudly say I'm an affiliate of systeme.io. So if you think systeme.io can really help you and want to upgrade your plan, then please use our affiliate links. It's free for you but it matters a lot for me. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions then feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And I put my systeme.io mastery playlist link in the description below. Keep watching those videos to master systeme.io, and if you want then you can watch the systeme.io official course which is free. So yes, that's it for this particular video. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.